Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Due to the nature of his job, Matthew, the saint that we celebrate today, is a well-to-do man. He has all the material things of this world. Mayaman si San Mateo. But why did Saint Matthew follow Jesus when, as we heard in the Gospel, Jesus said to him, "Follow me"? Bakit iniwan niya ang kanyang trabaho? Iniwan niya ang kanyang kayamanan? Iniwan niya ang kanyang magandang buhay? At sinundan si Jesus na wala namang kahit ano. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, no, the Son of Man does not even have a pillow on his head. Bakit? Here, my dear brothers and sisters, Saint Matthew's life is reminding us of one thing. You may have everything in life, but if you do not have God, you have nothing. May kulang sa buhay ni San Mateo. There is a kind of emptiness in his life, in his heart. Oo, masaya na ang kanyang, marami na ang kanyang ari-arian, pero may kulang. At nung tawagin siya ni Jesus, sumunod siya sapagkat nakita niyang kay Jesus matatagpuan niya ang kanyang hinahanap. Kay Jesus makikita niya ang kakulangan sa kanyang buhay. Kay Jesus makikita niya ang magbibigay ng kahulugan ng kanyang buhay. My dear brothers and sisters, sometimes we work so hard, no? We work so hard, we look for more jobs to earn more money, sometimes for the family, sometimes for ourselves. Gusto kong makabili ng ganito, gusto kong makabili ng ganon. Lalabas ng iPhone 15, gusto ko yon, no? But then, if those are the only things that we desire in life, then we don't have much. Hindi ko sinasabi na hindi mahalaga yung mga material na pagpapala. Hindi ko sinasabi na magtiis tayo ng kahirapan. Hindi. Ang sinasabi ko lang ay sa paghahanap natin ng mga material na pagpapala, which also comes from God, huwag nating kalimutan kung sino ang nagbibigay. You know, sometimes we focus on the material wealth, forgetting the giver of the material wealth, who is God. Ulitin ko, pinapaalala sa atin ni San Mateo, we may have everything in life, but if we don't have God, we have nothing. Amen.